Ebusua for a moment, Quaba beam, a bad top G town, and dear promotion. May I sure so when send me home a year, no, I'm Russell. Said the program was so I dear my dread for you, and the Babashas, and Sylvester said the ocean may be out, but like it. Now I share my for France, so any be a share way. A program, I dear my dread for you, and Mr. like it. That sharing a fridge, my dear, and she shut so come, my dear, I just saw an another myself from your doma don't come a program, so memma to Mr. like it. Na share mommy and who hear me ye pa na make I was a top G for now so much saying mammy did you my dear to say abro Mr. say flyer na ope large format printing and a general printing graphic design photo shoot say wedding engagement adoring be na wo ye na ope photo shoot a ekoye dia Mr. top G and I saw the way ni chat to Mrika Brian Chene no di jumadi embom anase nyame adom wo wholesale bi retail shop bi na wo anase supermarket car dealers herbal practitioners mu nyina mesremu ha say NSL obedi udwa wo meso ebe advert na mawa ebo enso eda form entitumika bra ye wodoko official town ubetimi follow yen on social media platform ni nyina so as Top G multimedia na se woni enkasa it was 023 I beg your pardon 0244567782 and as a number na gu screen is one of free now only ending come Top G multimedia say we are making a difference intimi so to Mrika na bra ye wodoko official town ye Benfred pharmacy to Mrika bra now only embedi Jumadi say live streaming and I will wedding engagement adoring be na wo ye and I okodanda who baby our duty ebe fa me so Top G multimedia abama to Mrika na yendi ja embom afen so make for let's make group of company ede amal say nyame adom na opese usidan ana say wanya ho na wanya baby pa edo ti ato enko ade a let's make group of company and I make for the amount construction ye be amount prepare say from foundation ekosi roofing ye be amawa ye bo enso eda form afen so insurance so we japade wo cars and I say bi and our company bi na one our say insure mawa let's make group of companies si Brian aswe na ye mbo afen so business development support and so ye be amawa ye bo eda form papa afen so procurement of goods and service let's make group of companies si bra say warehouse bi na person ye retail shop bi na say wholesale bi na person ye business bi person ye we here support no let's make group of companies si to recover aswe na ye be ye amal say ban events and decoration say event bi na wo ye wedding engagement bi na person ye deco no na blend na chese bibia enkoso wano enfama odia let's make group of companies si Brian aswe na ye mboa misro ye border format chese charges ne de fala obetimi any ye edija say bani designing and printing so let's make group of companies si Brian aswe border form so obetimi ayebi nyame adom say when you skaka krana opese utu building materials enso etonwa let's make group of companies si Brian aswe na ye mboa mesro border form obetimi say bani tiles bani roofing sheets bani nails bani paints doors near their damn quadia let's me group of company and I saw the when each way wo anya market ye ben super bed say open chemu bia only en kasa was 02432333716 and I said 03039945111 na only ending common ebusia for let's make and I saw the when each way na say ye di jumadi ni na ehhehhe so emma afen so may come for African Queen Market edia ma ye say ye de Ghana ba brochire ade ben na woton aye okodan na je say okopia monone a eba ne African needs and as a Caribbean needs ho aye na ama African Queen Market say ya ba ofie say eba no sa nyema bi ti say Orestodea na say de ade ye ho Ghana fade bi ti say kente mpaboa entare enku evashene de keka wendru efra bibre mu nko ade a African Queen Market sebra na bedidwa maye ye number na egu screen so no se wenwu ni yen kasa na se obe follow yen na chese eni edidwa kama ebusuafo Bidi Chato ya Orestodea Care Foundation International. Omunti ene maji gran kadebia me ba mi gina ho. Ene ampa wo fidie mu ha eja. Many opening power da Orestodea Care Foundation ena chese abepie wo fidie mu ha. Ye ba twetwe nkomo afa ne Orestodea 4 year dwumadi sonko a wodi won aseye ne de keka ho ana. Mi twa me ho aba. Me ba me ne opening kese ye ba twetwe nkomo.
Windows, casements, and a young way I say. Interior glass repairs, so where do I say? I don't know what I call out fear, we school at fear, open sun, you do my funny brow. Look at so high tension, street never bomb station or no, you won't say somebody boy, bliss aluminium, you're not much of a scream, Nasa. The phenomenon of friends, so you know that Casabo for our supreme.
Ebusiafo memo wakwa babiem ebaton adie shows from kwa top G4 akeka ensase e de eba besoma fe na wo hwe me live wo YouTube memo wakwa abason kwa di am je so aye na na adwo adoma so frame adoma don ko me program so a meji wa hene wa me ne opening pa oda Orestodea Care Foundation and abepie fidue mu ha ebe bobo ne Orestodea for eye wona so ye nyina entimesre so be like na wa share ama afofro enso enye bia hwe me nsembra no mebo opening kese na ya twetwe enkomo was good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me ma kwa babiem
Mejo so
me gidi ye so ho ye pa yeah ho so ayefe
that's also afa ho pa
me that's person me hu nipa kra wo ye be manage.
Okay, your friend me Dr. Frederick Age Jesus, me na me opinion pa me da Orestodea Care Foundation ano.
Okay, so doc
pese me na mu fidie kesi so na me de aseda emu edu aseda esan ehwiasan wo mu edema ye penyini ye kofa bai Dr. Samuel Pepera enam ne nidie ene ne nyansan so na Orestodea Care Foundation International etimi eba atiasem anase etimi exist ye na baby a owo oni ne busuafo ne nedwumaefo nyina no mechi o mosan de aseda mu edu ede momo na mekoma asem no so no Orestodea Care Foundation eye edwumakuo bi a enhye aban ase potokasem ne beka se ye NGO anase non governmental organization a yenhye aban ase na yedi ye edwuma na edwuma yen yedie ni se ye de emmoa ebre wona wonni bi ye de enidaso ebre wona woni nidaso nyina ewu anase wona woni nidaso nyina asa saa na ye edwuma Orestodea Care Foundation yedi as an NGO no ye areas a ye de ye edwuma anase ye key areas a ye edwuma efa with Orestodea Care Foundation ye health, ye education, ye social intervention, ye youth empowerment and afin so no ye san road safety and any areas a Orestodea Care Foundation eda yakoma so da ni de nyina no ye boy ho moden se nkrabata mabobobodin ni nyina no ye di dwumedi a ede ogye anasa ahoto ebre Ghana adehye na empo baako ni ebubu mu a with our health intervention you know obroni beka say we bridge the gap when it comes to health ye boa remote areas ye can remote areas ebia ye mpotemu anase oman na ye womu ne ye hwe baby a sebe no attention eni honomo aye ye nkura ye nkuro kese bi no mu a ye mpanyinfoɔ na adwen nkɔ hɔ no enkronketoa go adwen hyɛda nkɔ hɔ ɛne na yɛyɛ na with health no ebia obi wɔ ekura bi ase ne yareɛ ehia operation ne yareɛ ehia nduro binom ne nneɛma binom but enam sɛ ɔmo aka ekyire ɛwɔ enyini mu anase development mu no ɔmo ni ayaresabea kɛse a ebetimi aboɔ ɔmo with your health no ne yɛyɛ ne sɛ yɛkɔ saa nkrɔfoɔ ne nkyɛn na yɛaboɔ ɔmo sɛ ebi wɔ hɔ na operation bi na doctor for so ɔmo bɛyɛ no but if he says sika ni fie anase ebi ni hɔ no enidaso nyinaa sa Orestodea Care Foundation ye fasa onua koro no de ba kuro kɛseɛ mu anase bibia ayaresa dwumakuo kɛseɛ ɛwɔ ne ye de nipa koro akɔ hɔ na yakɔ akɔpre ayaresa
ene nyame hyiram mo ye adwuma nyankopɔ ehyiram na kwambe nso na mo fa so sa adwuma de esan se ekoste ana
okay ekoste pa na potokase mu no ye can be say you can never be a giver if you don't have the giving spirit. Say the midi can ye no enam bae. Na Orestodea Care baby company from dwumakuo kɛse a agidi nipa wɔ Ghana no fabrication Orestodea Ghana Limited. Orestodea Ghana Limited wo Orestodea Care Foundation. Now with Orestodea Ghana Limited no near ne say dwumakuo bi a we are into fabrication. Yes sliding door burglar proof ne ho akeka ho no. Na kakra ye client anase adofo mo de adwuma brain say yenye no ye adwuma ni wi a emfaso kakra wo mu no ye yi aban de ma na kakra na ebeka wase no ye fare by anase ye kofa ban say maye ndi ne yenum anase ono kwane ne busua entimi ndi nti no he gives back to the society. Enti kakra no na yakọ adofo anase Ghana for ankra edwumakuo wona adoye nso edo mo akoma so ne yakọ mo nkyɛn akọ akɔsrɛ kakra mo benyama ye ne de aka ni a ye penyi ebenyama ye no ho na afi ye de akọ akɔye afoforo nso emmoa. Enti no kwan a ye fa so e de generate fan ene ne emeka ye ento so no nso no ye wo nkrofo a ye de omo ahye edwuma mu a omo sua se de ye powder soap, liquid soap, cake soap,
every more association.
Every year honomo no. Ya de omo akwa kusua saa nneoma ni nyina. Enti no obi ye powder soap ne saa nneoma na yen yaje na yato no ewo no honomo na yeso ye de akọ
enko bebia
na yesa de aboa afoforo.
Sa pepepe na challenges ben na mo face.
Challenges in the menu about a dose and the medical no financially one of your biggest challenge. Sikan shada ni scam if I'm to put it that way. Akwa say kakra na ye faraban ebenya bema ye no and na yeso ye de boa. So your main challenge pa and your financial support and then your main challenge. And I feel so no mpenyifo bu baby say batakalia doso. Enti ama ye hu nkrambo papa. Na because of that no there were a lot of NGOs oman no mu I mean before no amanfo yenuanom ewo ebibre mu abrochire ne nneomo mutime emane omo so omo fanya doye ebeba beduru no na akodi nipa baakofo obotom enti ama se also ye NGO a afi no yi wuti no den se obi benya ogudidie no beka so media kan die yi anase medi we so wase se de be ya obetimi so aya afoforo adoye. And your main challenge and your financial support and then your main challenge.
Oh, okay. And so far, a day not to say when you that's what some way pa.
Okay. Yeah. So far, nyamia dom any ye kofa by any modern bo any Ghana do fo binoma. Then day nyina edumakuo binoma ye kom ho ye kosu echro mo a omutie yesufra omoboa yen omomodin bo ntini ye edwuma bebre. Menu aba me no ka say there were about 7 university students omo ye various university in the country. Nipa miensa ewo UCC, emu mienu ewo Cape Coast, ewo Legon, University of Ghana, ye wo bakonso ewo Tech, and yes wo bakonso wo University of Mines, ewo Takwa. Sa nkwale nyina brilliant but needy children. When we came across them and aso mo ba ya fam ne hu ni say omo tron sohwe no omo atwa omo abomoden na mu efie nye ebi mu kra ye njanka omo nie je omo nie na nti omo de amade sade beto ye ni mu no ye de to ye ho so e de omo nyina ko schools yi amabobobodin ebi mu wo omo level 200 ebi mu wo level 300 ebi mu kra wo mo final year ebi mu nso no afei e no mo akwa remu nti eba na education na ya ye no yesan wo nkwala ya form a omo wo lower primaries ebi mu wo JHS ebi mu wo SS
enye mpinifo
nkwala ye wo nkwala omo wo lower primaries be ni pamiensa ye hwe omo ye tue school fees ni bibia mo omo ene ye wo nipa be 10 na ye provide omo with prospectus say ye mampanyin other romanti no wa ye education free ama ye enti ne ye tue school fees na mo no prospectus kakra ni mo behia no ya toto sa nyoma ne de aso mo asen enti honom so no ya ma abosa moden ena in terms of health so no minua ba ye wo health achievement be 6 microphone sia ye tua surgery e ka mo nipa mienu aye CS ye fa sa aka no emu miensa ya ye free hernia repairs amomo eno so ya de Orestodea Care Foundation ene fa sa aka no ene ye wo bi mu so a omo ya record hospital ba no mu nye sika entua hospital bills Orestodea Care Foundation adaroma ye tua hospital bills amomo me no ka say last week ena me free enkoko eye Holy Family Hospital me fa akonua we so na me dia chia a doctor fo a wo hono ne a nurses fo a wo hono mo a omubo edwuma e de aboa oman Ghana ye de share anase ye baby a oye premature ye won premature ho complications bebre na mama ne koda hono mo no sikeni hospital bills apale omofre Orestodea Care Foundation yetimi ko hono mo na enam yes sister ba kon ene adofo bi no mo so ema yetimi ekoye sa nkrofo we nyina moa mefa akonua we so na me de achia eye Madam Rita Wood or US a ohwe yensisi a ena group kese pan e wo Ghana ye from edikutia eye akole ya meka se other Holy Family Hospital wo nkoko no ye dikutia ne hospital bills nyina ema no enti ano so ye one of the achievement ayaye and now in terms of education and I say in terms of social intervention na meka ye no your biggest achievement when it comes to social intervention e kuro bi wo from mountain ye voter ready ye fro kuro no akachi avakpo na ye nam a ye di djuma wo kuro no mu na ye kopie se e teacher fo eti mango dua kese bi ase
na no mpese mbisa se Orestodea ye boa individuals na other institutions